Hello everyone, we are here at Tardeo and checking out one of the most sought after projects of South Bombay. Project name, I'll let you know at the end of the video. As I come in, there's a wide, really wide foyer that greets me in. Towards my right is a very large kitchen, about 130 square feet of kitchen space. Attaching the kitchen is your dry area, combines up as a servant's room. It's a 1450 square feet of apartment, and what I notice over here is this floor to ceiling height of 11.5 square feet. L shape of beautiful living and dining, which also has a lovely 50 square feet of deck space. Now, South Bombay has got beautiful views. You're going to use a lot of this space to breathe lovely air and catch up with the beautiful views around South Bombay. Checking out 220 square feet of master bedroom area. Wow, isn't that spacious? Nice and long wardrobes, plus a master toilet of about 54 square feet, which is quite decent in space. A very nice dining area. Of course, children's bedroom, which is about 130 odd square feet, with full length French windows and the right sized toilet area. There is a powder area as well. And as we move to the other master bedroom, about 170 square feet of space. So I think there's enough space on the either side of the bed. Again, long French windows. Now that this flat looks so beautiful, this is MICL Aaradhya Avaan at Tardeo. Guys, don't miss this out. Get in touch with us and come and have a look at this sample flat. It's just amazing.